discuss about the poem The Roadside Locksmith by Chitra Padmanabhan. Chitra Padmanabhan had spent the last 21 years working with leading newspapers like the Economic Times, the Hindustan Times, the Pioneer and the Hilka, writing on the issues such as culture, cinema, history, arts, women issues and more. Now she is the editorial head of Pitara Kids Network. Here, the lock and key is very important in our daily life. These lock and key arrangements secure more of our things. We keep our money, jewels, important documents, books and other things, and we lock it in a cupboard or in a box. Secures the things that are very important for we people. If we get any problem with these lock and key arrangement, locksmith is the person who helps us. Locksmith is a person, one who makes locks and keys and one who repairs locks and keys. We can find many locksmith shops nowadays, but in olden days these locksmiths used to sit on the roadside and do their job. So let's recite the poem once. Here we are with the poem The Roadside Locksmith by Chitra Padmanabhan. The locksmith sits on the roadside with his wares. A tilted black umbrella blocks the sun's glare. A mountain of master keys heaped on the ground. Some dull, some old, some rusty, some gold. The locksmith has the answer to every locked door that can't be opened because the key is not there. If you have a key that is lonely and lost, don't worry, don't fret, don't be sad, don't despair. He will find a friendly lock to complete the pair. That's all about the poem. The locksmith has spread out his wares. Wares means things. Here, what are the things for locksmith? The keys and the locks are the wares of the locksmith, and he has some repairing tools. That hammer he has, some cutting plate he has, and a wooden box he has, and few nails he has. Those are all the wares of the locksmith. Locksmith sits on the roadside with his wares. That's about the first line. He sits on the roadside beside the road. He spreads out his wares. He arranges all the things which are needed for him for repair the lock and key and to make new lock and key arrangement. So he is easily available on the road. Tilted black umbrella blocks the sun's glare. As he has to work the whole day long, he has to protect himself from the glare, shine or the hotness of the sun. So he takes the help of the black umbrella that he can tilt from one side to another side to protect himself. A mountain of master keys heaped on the ground. That also you can see in the picture. Heap means so many keys are arranged in the shape of a small hill or a mountain. So many keys are there. So many master keys are there. Master keys are the keys which can open many locks. Not a single lock. Master keys are the keys which can open many locks. So he has so many master keys. And how they are? The poetess is explaining. Some are dull colored, some dull, some old, some rusty, some gold. Some are old keys are there, some are golden colored keys are there, some new keys are also there. Like this, so many keys are heaped on the ground beside the locksmith, where he is sitting beside the road. In the above these lines, the description of the locksmith the poetess has given. How he where he is sitting, how he has spread out his waist, and how he is protecting himself from the sun's glare. All these things she has explained. And in the coming line, she is giving answers or the solutions to the problems. If you have only one key and if you lose somewhere, that one also, don't worry, don't fret. Don't worry about it. Don't be sad. Don't be unhappy. Because locksmith is there. He has mastered in making keys. He can help you. He can make another key which can open your lock. Got it? And it can help you to get your thing. The locksmith has the answer for every locked door. So here the poetess is explaining that the locksmith can make any kind of key that can open your lock. If you have a key that is lonely and lost, and sometimes if you have only one key, you have locked something and you have got only one key, and if you lose that one also, don't worry, don't fret, don't be sad, don't be unhappy, because our friend locksmith is there. He'll help you in making another key which can open your lock. Got it? He will find a friendly lock to complete the pair. Here, lock and key is the pair arrangement. Okay. The particular lock can be locked with the particular key only. And it can be opened in the similar way. Got it? Like that, the locksmith, he can make a friendly key or the lock. If you have a key and you don't have lock, he will make lock also. And if you have lock and if you have lost the key, he is there for that also. He will make key for your lonely lock. For every problem, locksmith has got the solution here. Got it, children? Coming to the theme of the poem, don't be sad or don't be unhappy whenever you have a problem. For each and every problem or the question, there will be a solution. That's all about the poem, The Roadside Locksmith. Locksmith can help us to make the right lock and key arrangement, and he is very helpful in our lives. That's all about the session. Let's meet you in the next session. Thank you all.